Hello everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, December the 27th, 2024. Yes, we have 4 days to go till end of this year, and I've already solved one regular puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku, and this one, the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this 4-star Sudoku number 997. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 2 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. It's divided. Okay. Well, 1 1. Let me see. 6 6, 9 9. Need a 7 here. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row the only place level 4, 8 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the fifth column the only place level 9 should be there. 6 6 1 1 1 1. Need a 3 here. Need a 2 there. And the 6 here. Well. 3. Come on. 9 1 5. Need a 1 here. 1 5. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 8. 8. Need a 1 here. 4 6 2. Well, in this column, 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 6. We have 2 4 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 4 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 2 4 and a 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 2 4 and a 6, 2 4 and a 6, 2 4 and a 6. So 3 missing numbers now in this column. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing. Well, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the last row, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. So the 1, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. For numbers 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 2 7. Okay. So we have a 2 there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7 8, 7 8. So we have 8 in the last row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 8. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. In this row, 5 Yeah, we have 5 in this row, last row, 5 in a row above. So that row, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 1. Need a 2 there, okay. Need a 6 there. Need a 5 here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Need a 6 here. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 7. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Here can be 6. 2, 4, 6. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. Need a 5 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7. 7. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. I need 8 there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Do we have all the 8s? No. We have a pair in this big square. We have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in the first column. We have a 1 and 8 in the second column. So no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So 3 boxes are left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 3 boxes. We have 1 and 8 in the middle row. So no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Okay, so need a 2. Need a 3 and a 4. Need a 4. Come on, come on, come on. 7, 7. 7. Need a 6 here. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. And I need a 2. No. I need a 2, 4, 6. Come on, come on. Here can be a 6. We already have a 6, 2, 4. 3. 3 needs 3 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5. Need a 5 here. 1, 8. What about here? The 2, 4, and a 6. Need a 6 here. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4. Here we have a pair. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in this box. So the 2 and the 4 are left. So 2, 4, and the 6 are left here. Same for here, 2, 4, 6. But we already have a 6 in the second column. So 2 and a 4. Here we have a pair, 2 and a 4. So the other pair in the middle row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1, 2, 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. Look, we have 1 and 7 in this row. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. 2 or 4, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 4. So the 2 and the 6 are left. 2 and a 6, that means that this box can be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. 4 and a 6, 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 2. Here can be 2, 4 and a 6, and here also 4 and a 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is the 1. 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this box, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 3. I need a 3 there. 2 missing. No. Here I need a 9. 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 2 here. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then. Need an 8 here, 6. 3 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. Here can be 5, 5, 5. Here can be 6, 6, 6. And here can be a 9, 9, 9. We have a 5 here, so the 5 could be here, could be there. We have a 6 here, so the 6 should be here, should be there, okay. I need a 1 missing number here. I need a 4 here. Yeah, 4, 4, need a 4 here or there. 2 missing numbers in this row. I believe 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places left. 9 could be here, could be there. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there then. Need an 8 here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, there are only 2 places left. 8 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. There are only 3 places left, and 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 2, 6, and the 4. 2, no. 2, 6, 4. I need a 5 here. Here can be 5. Could be a 5. Could be a 5. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only 3 places left of the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 6. I need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers, 4 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. Yeah. 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 6. We have a 6 here, so and a 4 here, so the 2 and the 3 are left. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the only two places left. 3 could be here, could be there. 1. I need a 2, 2. Need a 4 here. 4 could be here, could be there. I'm stuck here, I'm stuck. Come on, come on. Overlook something. 2, 6. Need a 6 here. 6. 6, 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left. The 6 will be here, here, and there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 in this. So the 6 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8, should be a 9. Hidden number 9. Okay. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 5. 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in the last column, so no 6 in there. 6 should be here. 1 box left now in this column for number 4. So mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 4 or 3. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and a 3. 8 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.